Went to change the oil, saw the engine oil drain plug, and it looked rounded and trashed. It's supposed to be a 1/2-inch socket. Tried it and it just kept spinning around. Just could not get a grip on it. Tried using, you know, a straight edge to kind of pop it loose. Couldn't do that. So I started brainstorming what I could do, and this is how you get these off. I went and I bought a set. This is called a spiral bolt extractor set. And these are sockets, but when you look at them, they're actually sockets that have a different groove pattern, and this is going to destroy whatever you take off, but it will get it off. So I used the 1/2-inch socket, and you can see that it has a spiral built inside of it. So this is the drain plug, and it's a 1/2-inch. So I was underneath the vehicle, and I got this fitted on, and it would just go on the tip. So I got a hammer and I really knocked it deep into there and got it all the way on. Once it was on, I popped my socket on, but I just still didn't have enough strength to get it off. In fact, it kept spinning around a couple of times, so I had to position it just right, and I hit it real hard with a hammer. And I didn't have a breaker bar that fit, so I actually had this old piece of copper from a old job. So I slid this on the end, and I was finally able to break it and get it off. So this is what it looked like. It was successful though. These extractor sockets are really awesome, so I recommend them. It worked well, and I got my replacement now. So I'll be putting this brand new one on. Hopefully we have better luck next time. Hope this was helpful for you and getting you an idea on how to take off an engine oil drain plug that is just stuck and feels like it's impossible to get off. Thanks for watching.